We called you this afternoon to brief you after our Security Council meeting of the FCT. We're all aware of the threats as regards to protests, as regards to what some people may call bad governance. We believe that yes, we have right to protest, we have right to demonstrate, but all this has to come within the ambit of the law. This period, we think that all Nigerians should work collectively in order to salvage our country. I'm aware that there are challenges. Mr. President and his team are working very hard to make sure that those challenges, those problems facing our country are being solved. We know that it is a very difficult period for citizens. Mr. President has come up clearly that there are challenges, there are problems, but those problems and challenges should be tackled. And we believe in him. And we urge all Nigerians to also have patience that at the end of the day, we'll come out of this economic woes. For us as FCT, we have seen the changes in FCT. We have seen that the government is working. Mr. President has given FCT so much support that a lot of us can attest to the fact that there are a lot of changes going on in the FCT. And therefore, we will not allow anybody to set us back. We are looking forward to make sure that we take FCT to where it's supposed to be, as one of the major cities, not only in Africa, but also in the world. And so we will not allow anybody to disrupt peace, set us back. And so, for those who want to protest on the 1st or thereabout, FCT is not available for such a protest. FCT is not available for such protest. Unfortunately, though, that is the day FCT has set aside for the entire area council's jubilating to give out certificate of recognition to all their traditional rulers. So we will not allow that day that the entire city has set aside to honor their traditional rulers for their people to come and rejoice. And then somebody will say that you want to disrupt that day. We will not allow it. So we want to make it categorically clear that that day is a day of the entire 6 area councils who will be meeting to recognize and give a certificate of honor to their traditional rulers. And so we also invite our people to come and join us that day in celebrating. It is part of the achievement of the administration. So let the whole world hear us and hear us very well, that that day is not available for those who want to protest, and that it is not available for the protesters. Thank you, and God bless you.